So when you want to write something with the AI writer, you can come up here and say, okay, what part of my audience do I want to write this for? Choose it, and then the AI will remember everything about that part of your audience. And then you have the AI write the script, whatever you want it to write. The AI will ask you, hey, do you want to save this to scripts? Yes. And it saves it right inside the platform. Now, as far as an additional kind of little AI thing that we've added recently, this is pretty neat. So up here at the top, we have this little red camera icon here that we looked at earlier, right? Our webcam. At the top here, there's a little prompt right here. It says prompt video from AI, right? Click this here. And now you have the ability to go from prompt to video. So the whole idea here was that the team created is that you can create an AI video that will then lead into your authentic video. So we have different types of AI videos that you can create. So we have an intro hook video, right? I'll hit the play button on this so you can see the example.
Are you ready to solve your biggest problem right now?
So you can choose the type of video that you want. Greeting video shows a different type. User generated content one. You can see the different styles of what these things look like. So you just choose the one that you want, and then you're able to create it. Now, the thing to remember, before you prompt, I would read this tooltip right here. It'll remind you the best way to do this prompt. Also, our little profile function is right over here as well. So what we just talked about, if it's going to be to a certain part of your audience, why not select the profile so the AI knows everything about it? So then what you do is you drop your prompt in here. I'm just going to say great white because I love sharks. Swims towards the camera and smiles. I have a more detailed one that I did, but I'm just going to type this in for a second. Let's see if I could spell. Okay. So, if it was simple, then it's going to give you some choices. The bottom line is put your prompt in here and just remember, you can't generate your own face, celebrities, historical figures. You can't do any of that stuff. You can choose the size down here, landscape or portrait, and then you can choose the timer. So see how it says 4, 8, and 12? If you'll notice, if I click a certain type of video, like if I go commercial video, it's going to drop it down to 12. And if I go intro is going to be 4 seconds. So it kind of corresponds to the type. So you put in your prompt, and then you're going to click generate concepts. And when it generates the concepts, it's going to give you three choices. It's going to give you your original prompt that's really fleshed it out. And then it's going to give you two more choices that are a little bit more creative that are in there, a little different. So then you can choose the one that you want. And when you choose the one that you want and you generate it, it's going to send you an email that says, hey, your video is ready. And then that video will also be in your video library. So now that video that I did, just to give you an idea of what that looks like, when it gets delivered, it would be in here, inside your video library. See right here? This is it right here. So I'll open up another window, and this is the video.
Welcome to the live training.
You communicate with your future and existing.
And notice it went to a video with me right after that. So that's an example of an AI video intro video you can create and then be able to do it. Here's the three concept choices it created. Ready? So you just choose the one you want. I'm going to choose that one right there. Give them a read through. You can go back and edit the prompt or click generate video, and then you get this pop up. It's generating. You can go back to the dashboard while you're waiting.